Yo, what's up? It's the podcast. Edwa uNtsembu slash lapha sekazi. Gama lami ngaphiwe mina uZeko all the way emfuleni 7100. Silapho ke namhlanje esihlane eAfrica yami yabo. Ezobe sengishilo kuni ba I'm getting interviews. Isile interviews apha yabo. So shout out to KCD Plug for hosting ile event and bagqiba unyaka ba celebrate. I'm with the Hotman yami apha yabo. Legendary in the game. I'm going to give him a chance as assist.
Yeah. Kuse igama ngusikhulu ngwakwantiyantiya udlanga amandla lona ngumcenga ufunga lempongo liyanuka wasi mandime apho mntakwethu enzela ba kuzoba khona imibuzo yakona ingasona ndichaza yonke
awe exe abo one thing wena khoma nama bayifuna ukubuza yona le sijambe imibuzweni fast yabo I want to know from you ne how do you feel about the way yenzeka apha yabo how do you feel the way yenzwa KCD Plug yabo like influence njani game kuwe
Mankala apha mnanam, there is no bigger stage now for us more than KCD Plug yabo. So kasiza itsale wena mntakwethu the role eyidlalayo is more than yabona i-artists ezisemva kwami we never had this platform thina ngosisakhula yabo. So this thing in jabulisa into abaloka bayivuyisa mina cha ikhulisa ne-artists ezizayo. So I support KCD Plug so much. I'm a formal artist at KCD Plug dog. If there's a show at KCD Plug bigger than this one, I'm there. So yeah, no way choose them.
I want only best moment yako from a KCD Plug. Like in yo. The day I was here, there KCD Plug was yabo. So I want you to give me like the best highlights in the KCD Plug.
Okay. I don't remember the date though, but I came up with the cipher of KCD Plug. I was the one who came up with the cipher of KCD Plug. I was the one, and then Mary J wanted to introduce the cipher to KCD Plug. So that was the moment, dog, because it was lit. And then there were dope MCs. There was Pro X. There was Mtwanguseli. There was Ino. There was Mills. There was me. There was a lot of them. Yabo. OGs then. Yabo. So it was the best moment of my life. I think that was I think that show of, if I'm not mistaken, show yesithathu KCD Plug introduce la cipher yabo. Best of the best manika.
Awe danga khoma nabo yabo ndifuna ukubuza khoma nami umbuzo ogqibela before ukukhululwa yabo. Any music on the way, what are you busy? Sikhona busy ngoku.
Yeah, mntakwethu I'm busy manika with the EP ethi bayose bavume, and it consists 10 tracks.
Okay.
And then after bayose bavume i-album ethi bavumile.
Wow.
Yeah. So bayose bavume then i-album yewezathi bavumile. Bethanda bengathandi bazawuvuma.
Give a shout out to your podcast. I'm doing a podcast page. Can you give a shout out to Edwa uNtsembu slash lapha sekazi?
Yeah. WaUNtsembu slash life etekasi. What up? Podcast. Check it out. That's number 1.
Down KCD Plug.
Yeah, he wasn't busy because I was famous. Like I'm a cool in my dress, I got my haters. I spun on the witness, it's such a